Good afternoon slash morning slash evening. Whenever you're watching this, maybe it's nighttime, who knows. But right now it is afternoon and it's a beautiful day in Italy. It is a beautiful day to be quarantined because that is what we are. So I figured since really I have to stay home today, I can show you my apartment and give you an apartment tour. That'll be fun. The door is closing by itself, and if it does, then I get locked out. It's a good thing I have a roommate now. It's funny because if I had done this apartment tour like a week ago, it would be completely different than it is right now. So let's get started. So this is my view on the outside. I've showed you guys this before if you watched my au pair day in the life video. And then, this door almost closed, but here we go. There's Jordan, my roommate. You walk in and you have the kitchen. The kitchen table, of course, has stuff on it because that's where we do our work. And that's where we called the U.S. Embassy, and they were mean to us. So we're not working with them anymore. Honestly, it's not up to the embassy whether we go home or not. It's up to our airplanes, I think. So here's a little chair. Here's some stuff above the chair. There's like a little love seat type thing. Good for chilling, hanging out, like if you have guests over. I don't know. I don't have guests over very often. There's my clock. I guess it works. And then here's my kitchen counter. If you stand back here, you can see the kitchen. And in the kitchen is also the the clothes washing machine, the oven, and this one is the dishwasher, and it's going right now. Even though there's dishes up here, this was full, so that's why this isn't cleaned up, because I needed it to be, I needed space because the dishwasher's full. Sorry, I'm rambling. So anyway, these are all of the water bottles that need filled up. This is, Jordan gave me one because all of mine are empty. And since we're in quarantine, I'm going to go over to my host family's house later, well, tomorrow, and fill all those up. And then this is some honey that I bought the other day. This is some truffle oil that I bought. Some bread, this adapter, which, unimportant. So you get the idea. This is the kitchen area. That TV over there has never been turned on. I almost forget that it exists all the time. Now, here's a different view of the apartment. Over there is the thing that you put your wet clothes on because there's no dryer. Here's my computer. I was listening to Jon Bellion. This is my fridge. I don't know if I want to show you the inside. Yeah, it's not too bad. And then this is the freezer, and then like the noodles and crackers and stuff that I have left. Here's what's in the freezer. We just got these pizzas. Okay, so you round this corner in the kitchen, and and here's these are my jackets and hats and stuff. Jordan can put her stuff there too if she wants to, but I kind of already had that claimed before she came. And then there's some camera stuff. Then you go down this hall. Here's all the cleaning stuff in this cabinet. And toilet paper, the broom. And then this hallway I often do yoga in, but I've been changing it up lately. And I'll show you the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. So, toilet, bidet, I don't know how to say it. Random stuff, all of that is mine. Here's the shower. I sometimes have issues with the shower because it goes hot and cold like the entire time that I'm showering. And then the sink, the mirror, hello, And that's the end of that. So this is Jordan's room. And before she moved in here, this room was locked. So I had no idea what this room even looked like until 2 days ago or something. 3 days ago. Kind of weird because it's actually a really nice room. It's nicer than my room, but I don't really care. Like, I'm glad that she's living here. So yeah, that's her room. I hope she doesn't mind that I'm invading her room. Moving on. This is my room. The bed is not made because I don't make my bed, and I'm being authentic with you guys. I don't make the bed. Probably should. I used to make my bed like religiously, but now I don't. Here's a bunch of stuff that I have on my counter. These are some like homemade jams and stuff, and then stickers and pens and chapstick. And my mirror for my room. Over here is my bedside table, which I use all the time. And over there is my other bedside table, which I hardly ever even remember is there. And that's really all that there is to show you in my apartment. I have no idea how long I'm going to be in Italy now. I thought that I was going to be here for like 4 more weeks, but that could change. Honestly, it's a very confusing time right now. Nobody knows what's going on. So, yeah. I'm glad you guys are watching this. So, whoever out there that's watching this, thank you. And if you have any questions about what it's like to be quarantined, honestly, it's not that bad so far because we haven't, it's not that bad so far. All right. I'm going to stop talking because all I do is ramble. Love you. Bye.